Updating your billing address on MBWAY is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open the MBWAY app. Launch the MBWAY application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon or found in the profile section. Look for the option related to personal information or account details. Step 3. Select billing address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new billing address in the provided fields. Double check for accuracy, ensuring that all details are correct, including street name, number, city, and postal code. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap this button to confirm your changes and ensure your new billing address is saved. Make sure to review your account periodically to keep your information up to date.